Hello there and welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can delete all your watched videos on Facebook. You can do this on your mobile phone, you can do this on a PC too as well. So to do this, just hop on your profile like this. You can see this is my Facebook wall. Hop on your profile like this. I have it opened in this tab. So you can see on here, you press on the three dots here. You can find this three dots on your profile if you are using a mobile phone too as well. Very simple. And now let's move to our activity log here. Good. So activity log contains everything you do on Facebook. I mean every activity you perform on Facebook. So you can see your search history, your comments, your likes. You can delete all of them. But then in this video we want to clear our watched videos. So let's move to our watched videos here. So this is my account. This is my Facebook account. So these are the videos I watch on here on Facebook. So I want to clear my watch history. So I want to clear my watch history, or I want to delete all videos I've watched on Facebook. So it's very simple. You just move to clear your video watch history and you confirm. Yeah, good to go. So you choose and then you just clear, something like that. You choose and you clear, you choose and you clear, something like that. You can even go on and then delete it manually, something like this, one by one. If you feel there are some videos that are inappropriate, you can delete them one by one. But then you can use this method here to clear all of them, just like I showed you guys. So that's it on how you can clear or delete your watched videos on Facebook or on your Facebook account. So that's it for the video. Don't forget to like and then subscribe to my channel. Peace.